Hey there folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing and a review of this JL115A digital microscope. So let's go ahead and get into this, what's in the box. Got a manual, phone, everything's here. Got the main camera. It's got a screw with a couple washers. This is the clamp for the table. And a USB alpha to USB-C connector. And then of course the boom itself. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this assembled. So this is the table clamp. Put this down here on the table. Okay. Okay, got that clamp down good. That's good. We'll take this boom and we will take this hinge and we'll put it right down there, like so. Tighten it. But right now it's free spinning. Okay. The arm. Like so. Okay. So then this piece, but camera will mount too. Pull that up here. Then we got these washers. I'll put one washer on this side going through here, then washer on the other side, and then the camera. That screws in there like so. Yep. Flexible boom arm for soldering and repair. The JL115A digital microscope features a durable metal boom arm bracket that moves smoothly side to side, providing wide angle flexibility. Its foldable design saves space, making it ideal soldering microscope for electronics repair, soldering, and PCB inspection. Ideal choice for coin collectors and hobbyists, the JL115A also functions as a coin microscope, perfect for collectors and hobbyists of all ages. Effortlessly view coins, inspect coin errors in coins, and examine fine details. Also great for exploring plants, ants, stones, jewelry, and more. Fantastic STEM gift for adults, kids, and nature lovers. Use the JL115A as a handheld digital microscope with the built-in distance adjustment ring that reduces handshake for steadier handheld viewing. Rotating the ring increases the work distance and expands the field of view, delivering a clear observation experience. Portable rechargeable microscope equipped with built-in rechargeable battery. This portable digital microscope is perfect for field work. Whether indoors or outdoors, you can explore anytime, anywhere, without the worry of power cords. And it's got USB connection to the computer. This digital microscope will connect to your computer via USB, switch to PC camera mode, and use it on your camera for live viewing, capture images, capture video recordings, easily share your findings, and anything you work on. Enjoy real-time viewing on this 5-inch IPS screen with vivid colors and sharp detail. Say goodbye to traditional eyepieces. Comfortable and prolonged use is great for group viewing. Okay, so once the device has been turned on, you can hit this right button here that has the M on it, and that'll switch between the different modes. So right now it's in, as you see here in the upper left-hand corner, is the video, and now it's for camera. For pictures, and then if there was a memory card, it would have it here so you could look at previous recordings, what's on the storage. But so right now we're on video, and then what I'll probably use this mostly is for actual just photos, actually taking pictures of things rather than video. So of course now we are on camera mode. If you were to hit the OK, then it would take a picture. But because we don't have the memory card in, it's not taking a picture to be able to save, so it's not allowing you to save. But here with this, at this existing magnification on this coin, we can hit either the up or down buttons, and right now we are at the most maxed out. And then you can hit the up button and that magnifies in. That's 1.5x, 2x, 2.5x, and 3x, and that is the max. And from what I understand, that is actually 60 times the normal size, so 60x. That's pretty impressive. That's to get into the menu system, I believe you hold in on the sim. Yep. So now it's got this came up. So of course we can set the resolution. We can record whether it's a sequence or not. Of course, the quality, fine, normal, or economy. And of course, the sharpness, the white balance, ISO, exposure, and anti-shaking. And it's got a quick review. And of course, whether you want date stamp on or off. So that is those settings. And then we also have here where you can set the date and time, your language of preference, and then the frequency. And here's where you can format your card, your little SD card that you plug in. You can format it here. And of course you can always set the camera back to, you know, the default settings. And then here you can see where what version you are. And that is all there is for settings. And as far as using handheld, it's very nice because you can just bring it up onto an item and then zoom right in, and then you can set how you're going to focus it, how far in you're going to zoom. And the style is nice because you can quickly focus it to the spot that you are looking at. I think that's very nice. So I think it's very nice. You can take it with you on the go when you're out antiquing or whatever. You're looking for those treasures. And you quickly pull that up and look at things, check them out. Yep, very nice. So definitely give this a thumbs up.